Hello guys, welcome to my channel Server Fix. Today the Epic Games servers went offline because of the new season update maintenance issues that affected Fortnite. I am going to show you how to fix it. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you are going to want to go to the search menu, there type CMD and open it as administrator. Then type in this command, netsh, winsock, reset, and press enter. If you see the message saying winsock catalog was reset, that means it worked. This helps resetting your computer's network settings to their factory defaults, which can fix internet connectivity problems. Now restart your PC. After you restart your PC, you're going to, again, go to the search menu and type CMD and open it as administrator. Here you are going to type ipconfig/release in the prompt and click enter. Wait a few moments for all information to load, then type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Wait a few seconds again and then type the final command ipconfig/flush DNS in the prompt. If you see this message, then everything went successful. Fortnite should be able to launch now. Restart your PC again. You can now play Fortnite. Enjoy! Now for the console gamers. To fix this issue for Xbox, go to the settings, then go to network settings. First, check if your console is connected to the internet properly. Click on Test Network Connection to see if your network doesn't have any issues. If it says something like, it's all good, then click on Continue to exit and go back to the main settings. Over on the right, click on Power Options. You want to make sure your console isn't set to sleep mode. Now go back to Fortnite and launch it again. If for some reason it still doesn't launch, then the problem is from the Epic Games servers, so you can't really do anything about it except to wait. That's it. I hope the methods worked for you. Thanks for watching.